1-1, number 2. Refer to figure 2 to answer the following question. A. Name the line that contains point F and B. So point B is right here, and point F is right here. The line that contains both of them is this line here. So you can write that as line M, or you can write that as line EB with the arrows this way. Okay? Because that line is both line M and line EB or line BE as well. B. Name a point not contained in line L or M. So here we have line L is right here. Then we have line M, which is right here. The only point that's not on either of them is point D. This point here is not on any of those lines. Okay? So the point D is the only one that is not contained on line L or M. C. Name the intersection of line L on N. This should be on. Line L is right here. Then we have M here. And they intersect at this point right here. I'm going to mark that in red. And that is going to be point B. Letter D. Name a point that lies on line segment AB. Please understand, it is line segment AB. The line segment of AB is going to be in green. It's right here. A line segment has two endpoints. So a point that exists on it would be point A, or you can write point B. Okay. That line segment still contains those 2 points.